We all know that colour does not lift colour, but maybe it does. This is Fashion Lights, and Fashion Lights will shift through tinted base. You might not get the full 5 levels of lift, but you'll get there. These were made particularly for dark bases, levels 5 and lower. This is going to give you the lift and this full intense pigment of colour in one step. No pre-lightening. You can get these incredible copper, red, red-violet in one step. This is how you're going to mix it. 1-to-1 off scalp applications. Now the reason you're going to keep it off the scalp is that there's more ammonia in the tube. Now you need that because it's going to lift. You're working on dark bases, so you need that ammonia to get the lift before the deposit of this massive coloured pigment. So because of the ammonia, you could get irritations on the scalp. You're definitely going to get staining on the scalp. You're going to leave this for 30 to 45 minutes. I'd highly recommend leaving it for 45 minutes when you're trying to shift through a previous colour.